Hello everyone, this is your Tech channel. Every precise scoop takes out a chunk of the base, making the whole tower tip over in a super controlled way. Building a stone wall just became a whole lot easier. This gadget bonds stones with concrete in seconds. No mess, no waiting, just done. Here's how a painter totally refreshes an old railing. All it takes is slapping on some primer. This beast of a machine digs up dirt with total precision and zero effort.
Problemi, clamoroso colpo di scena.
Show me another construction guy with skills like this. He's on another level. Check out this super smooth window cleaning technique. It's mesmerizing. To strip off old paint, grab a sandblaster and go full perfectionist mode. Tearing off a roof is tough work, but these roofers have energy for days.
think it's time to get a new mixer.
One smooth swipe with a spatula, and those holes vanish like magic. Santa's gonna slide right down easy this year. This tool nails chimney cleaning every time. This excavator is a total monster. And dude, I can't get enough of it. Watch this homemade rig show off pure genius for heavy lifting, beating out store-bought stuff. A seamstress at this level doesn't even need lines. She cuts perfectly freehand, all pure skill.
Aí, pessoal.
Sai, cachorro!
From felling trees to digging foundations, this tool is like a multi-purpose wizard. Lightning quick pipe insulation. What do you think, Elon Musk?
Yeah, that would work.
I'll eat it, I'm just thinking.
Yeah, what else can we do?
That's the moment a worker finally gets work smarter, not harder. Check out how uniquely awesome this bartender is. Total pro.
É o celular mais resistente que eu já testei até agora. Ele foi o único que...
A whole motorcycle vanishes in seconds inside this massive shredder. This is how you make bricks for your house. Cool, right? If you like it, hit subscribe.
¡Ah! ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey!
阿媽又做個站啦你！3、2、1，
A CNC router carves the Chinese character for horse perfectly into a round wood block.
It's too bad. Fortunately, no one was hurt.
Thanks to its crazy long reach, this machine trims the tops of hedges over 13 to 16 feet tall, leaving straight lines every pass. A Bollywood star painting houses between shoots. Guess he's found a new hobby.
And you got a wheelbarrow for the gear. And my lovely assistant. Look at that. Look at the arms on the boy. Look at that. Job done.
I'll be there. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Oh shit.
Just hit us up and we'll turn your ceiling fan into a concrete leveler in no time.
ओह शिट यार इसमें तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही है क्या
A hot mold and hydraulic press shape plastic with pinpoint accuracy. This clever invention perfectly kicks out bad eggs from the conveyor. Spot on every time. This machine grabs a flat metal sheet and turns it into corrugated roofing panels.
O bigode deve estar só um pouquinho louco, né? Na casa do vizinho, deitado. Nossa, não deu.
When you gotta cut a bunch of steel rods at once, this huge rotating blade on a beast machine slices them fast and clean. Packaging tons of boxes? You'll want an auto-taping machine like this one. Hand this guy some tiles and he'll whip up a mind-blowing 3D illusion for your hallway. Nope, this isn't some epic kung fu training. Just another day for a pro builder. With craftsmen like these, the roof gets done before the rain even starts. Watch this conveyor sort books by genre automatically. So slick. Spinning in a special tumbler, these beads come out perfectly smooth and shiny. This is my favorite way to roast seeds perfectly every time. An umbrella keeping you shaded in the blazing heat. Pretty neat, huh? Industrial sewing machine cranking out insulated thermal bags like a champ. A massive automated sorting setup sends packages flying to the right chutes efficiently. This super efficient machine forges hot metal rods into a non-stop linked chain. This special jigsaw blade cuts through cement blocks no problem. Imagine having this dude's insane sense of depth. Spot on every time. I'm blown away by how buttery smooth this worker gets with his massive tool.